So today we will study about neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters, these are nothing but the chemical mediators which helps in the transmission of impulses from presynaptic neuron to postsynaptic neuron through the synapse. They are called as neurotransmitters. Now this the which substance can be called as a neurotransmitter? There is a criteria for a substance to be called as a neurotransmitter. The first criteria is that substance must be found in the neuron. Then second criteria is it should be produced by the neuron. And third criteria is it has to be released by the neuron. And the fourth criteria is this substance must act on a target area. And the fifth criteria is it must be deactivated. Once it completes its action, it has to be deactivated. Now these neurotransmitters, they are classified in two ways. One is depending upon their chemical nature and second is depending upon their function. So depending upon their chemical nature, there are three types of neurotransmitters are there. They are called as amino acids, amines and others. Now amino acids, these are the neurotransmitters which act very fast. They are fast acting synaptic neurotransmitters. They are both inhibitory as well as excitatory. The example for this amino acid neurotransmitters is like GABA, that is GABA, glycine, glutamate and aspartate. These are the examples of amino acid neurotransmitters. Then amines are nothing but the modified form of amino acids, but they are slow acting neurotransmitters. They act very slowly. These are also both inhibitory as well as excitatory. The examples for these amines are like noradrenaline, adrenaline, dopamine, serotonin, histamine. These are the examples of amines. Then third category here, third type of neurotransmitters are others. Others means they are neither amines, they are nor amino acids. The example for these others are like nitric acid and acetylcholine. These are the examples of other type of neurotransmitters. Then another type of the classification of neurotransmitter is depending upon their function. Depending upon their function, these neurotransmitters are classified into two types. One is excitatory neurotransmitter and inhibitory neurotransmitter. Excitatory neurotransmitters, they are responsible for the conduction of impulse from presynaptic neuron to postsynaptic neuron. They are called as excitatory neurotransmitter. Then inhibitory neurotransmitters, here they do not conduct the impulse. They cause inhibition of the impulse from presynaptic to postsynaptic neuron. They are called as inhibitory neurotransmitters. Now there are various neurotransmitters are there which are excitatory, where various neurotransmitters are there which are inhibitory. Now some of the important neurotransmitters, if we see, the first one is gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA. This is secreted there in the cerebral cortex, cerebellum, basal ganglia, retina and spinal cord. It is mainly inhibitory in function. Then another one is glycine. Glycine is secreted there in the forebrain, brainstem, spinal cord and retina. This is also inhibitory in its function. Then another one is glutamine. Glutamine is secreted from the cerebral cortex, brainstem and cerebellum. It is excitatory in its function. Then aspartate. Aspartate is also secreted from cerebellum, spinal cord and retina. It is excitatory in its function. Then noradrenaline, it is secreted from postganglionic adrenergic sympathetic nerve endings. It is also secreted from cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, brainstem and spinal cord. It is both excitatory as well as inhibitory in its function. Then adrenaline, it is secreted from hypothalamus, thalamus and spinal cord. It is also both excitatory and inhibitory in its function. Then dopamine is secreted from basal ganglia, hypothalamus, limbic system, neocortex, retina. It is inhibitory in its function. Then serotonin is also secreted from hypothalamus, limbic system, cerebellum, spinal cord, retina, gastrointestinal tract, lungs and platelets. It is inhibitory in its function. Then histamine is secreted from hypothalamus, cerebral cortex, gastrointestinal tract, mast cells and spinal cord. It is excitatory in its function. Then nitric acid, if you see, it is secreted from many parts of central nervous system. Then it is also secreted from neuromuscular junction and gastrointestinal tract. It is excitatory in its function. Then acetylcholine, one of the important neurotransmitter, it is secreted from preganglionic parasympathetic nerve endings. It is secreted from postganglionic parasympathetic nerve endings, preganglionic sympathetic nerve endings, postganglionic sympathetic cholinergic nerve endings, neuromuscular junction, cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, thalamus, hypothalamus, and amacrine cells of retina. So this acetylcholine is basically excitatory in function. So these are some of the important neurotransmitters. So this is about neurotransmitters.